So how to pay your council tax online in the UK. So to pay your council tax online is very simple to do. So first things first, you're going to want to come over to the government website and come to this web page here which says pay your council tax. But I'll also leave a link below in the description. Then once you're on this web page, you simply just want to go ahead and enter the postcode of the property that you want to pay council tax for. Then once you've entered your postcode, you'll just want to click on this green button here which says find your local council. Then once you've done that, it will bring you through to this web page here which will tell you who your local council is. And this green button here will redirect you to that council's website so you can pay the council tax from there. So as you can see in our example, it tells us our local council is Luton Borough Council. So to go ahead and pay the council tax, you'll just want to click on the green button that says go to the council website. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to your local council's website where it should offer you a few ways to pay your council tax from there. Now depending on your council, the layout of the website might be slightly different to what I've got here, but the format is always the same. So for example, obviously on the Luton Borough Council website, if you just scroll down slightly, it will then list you a few ways you can pay your council tax, such as direct debit, paying online, or either paying through the phone. So to simplify it, let's just say we want to pay online. We'll click that, and then click Pay Now right here. Then once you've selected Pay Online, you will then likely be asked to enter a reference number. So you should be able to find your reference number on any council document sent through the post about paying your council tax. But if you don't know your reference number, then it's worth getting in touch with your local council just to confirm what it is. But you will have some sort of a reference number somewhere, as that's what they use to link your payment to your account. But anyway, once you've entered your reference number, you can select Validate from here. And then once you've done that, you will then just need to enter the amount that you wish to pay. So at this stage, you can choose how much you wish to pay. In most cases, council tax is set up as a monthly payment, so you usually have fixed instalments with the dates they are due listed. So for the example of this video, I'm going to say £50.86, as that's my first council tax bill. So once you've entered the amount you wish to pay, you'll just want to select Add to Basket. And then from there, it should then give you the option to pay. Obviously, depending on the website, the format's very different. So as you can see on the Luton Council website, we'll just need to click Checkout at the top right here. So from here, it's nice and simple. You just want to go ahead and enter your payment details. So just fill out and complete the form. And once you've entered all your payment details, you can then press Continue from there. Then once you've entered your payment details, you'll likely come through to a page which looks like this, which just gives you a payment summary. So again, if you just scroll down, you can go ahead and review it. And if you're happy, click Confirm Payment. And there you have it. And you should come across a page which looks like this, which just gives you a receipt number. And you should also receive an email just to confirm it. And that is how you pay your council tax. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.